How to upload on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can upload your music to Spotify individually. Now, the first thing what you'll need to do is you'll have to sign up for the artist account. Now to do so, head into the Spotify artist website. Here what you want to do is head into your browser on your device and you want to search in for artist.spotify.com. You can simply search in for artist.spotify and it'll give you the very first link. You can see artist Spotify for artists here. Simply tap on it and here you'll have to create your account and log into the account here. Now once you do this, what you want to do is you want to verify your artist profile. After signing up, you'll need to verify your artist profile. This process will require some additional information such as your bio, photos and social media links. Make sure to provide accurate and engaging information to attract listeners. Once you do this, you want to prepare your music files. Ensure your music files are properly formatted and meet Spotify's requirement. The preferred format is a high quality audio file in either MP3 or WAV format. Now verify that your tracks have appropriate metadata and including the title, artist name, album name if applicable, and track number. Once you do this, choose a distributor. Now Spotify does not accept individual music uploads directly from artists. Instead, you'll need to use a third-party distributor to get music on Spotify. There are several popular distributors you can choose from such as DistroKid, TuneCore, CD Baby and more. Research each distributor's pricing, features, and then you can sign with them. Once you sign up with them with the chosen distributor, you can upload your music and metadata. Use the distributor's platform to upload your music files and input the relevant metadata for each track. Now once you do this, you can set release date, and once you go through all the process, you'll be able to upload your music to Spotify. So this way you can upload music to Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.